Where did I go? What happened? I hope everything's alright. Come back, Benji. DCB gay. Dickhead. Well, I would put some sad music on, do the sad voice and say things got a little hard. Being an adult didn't quite go as planned. I had a hard time dealing with things and I didn't have the energy to make videos and I just fell off the face of the earth. But what actually happened was I had a complete mental breakdown. I smashed up my house and I met up with some of my biggest fans and I ran one of them over. I also did a thing. So I'm back, kind of. I'm going to try and upload some videos roughly on a thing of scheduleisms and more regular than non-regular, which is what I've been doing. Anyway, Ben, are you still alive? You haven't uploaded for a while, man. Del Hart. Driving ban. Wow.
Yeet! Fucking Agilas! Dickhead, 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 dickhead!
Why would you do that?
Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair, you selfish little prick. Go on, Nan. Go on, 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 go on. Now you're welcome. How'd you get that wrong? There's like 3 fucking lights, man. It's aged mostly.
Uh-oh.
What, Alexi? What?
She is calling somebody.
She was using both hands as well.
She was using both hands.
That's impressive. That's
nice pink nails, though.
That's why she can't drive in a straight line. Look at the state she's getting in. Wow.
Lovely pink nails.
Lovely pink nails. Not bad. Really? Are people fucking blind today? Are they not seeing all these flashy lights and pretty colours on the road? Why would you do that?
Yeah, draw me and Daddy a picture of a car, a blue one.
I'll tell you what, you draw me a picture of...
Ooh.
Oh! Oh! Oh no! Did he really just do that? Fuck me, literally just fuck me hard with a broomstick. That I've never seen anything like that before. I mean, there's a fucking arrow to help you go the right way. How could you not, how could you get it wrong? There is literally no, possible reason you could not do that 100% perfectly good. I don't understand, man. That's just fucking weird. You would expect that from one of these. Well, that's not the best place to be parking, is it? But it's a learner, so, that's the kind of thing I'd expect from a learner driver, not a fucking professional. In quotes, because taxi drivers are not professional at all. Thank you, you legend. Wow. What an actual dickhead.
There's one left for you, one left for Naomi.
beep. Fucking legend. He was reading, I don't know what he was reading, but he was reading something whilst he had his phone in his hand. That's some mega fucking multitasking just there, isn't it? Wow. Fucking wow. Fucking bellend. Is that an old Austin Maestro I see? No, look at that. That is a very nice one as well. Oh, mama! Sexy! Well, at least it's not parked on the curb. Fuck me. They're about today, aren't they? The special little snowflakes are about.
See all that flying back now, can't you? Stuff on the tree there. See? I told you!
You're like psychic telepathical.
Told you!
You can't even report him for littering because you got no number plate.
But you're not going outside, are you? Daddy's got his heating on to warm the car up. Do you want me to crash?
No.
Mate, you're going to have to go back down.
Yeah, you are. Keep going. Backwards a little bit more. Keep going. There we go. And then we get a thank you for that. Made it harder than it had to be, but thank you. Oh dear, what's occurred? Why is there a car sideways in the road?
I don't know, you're going to drive past that thing now?
I don't know if we're able to.
Are we just going this way?
How do you have a crash on this bit of the road? I don't get it.
Yeah, but what did she crash into?
I don't know.
Watch out.
What do you mean, watch out?
Look at the car next to you.
I know. That's why I'm not letting it go. It'll fuck itself. I am learner. You're welcome. I don't know what you're thanking me for.
This is how you say.
I'm not going on the path, mate. No, I'm not going on the path. I'm going to have to go on the path, aren't I? There we go. Thank you. No, he's still going to go. He's going to go for a round two.
It's too noisy.
He's not that noisy, Maisie Mill.
What? What did I say?
I said he's not noisy, but we might have to go on the path. We might have no choice. We might have no other choice.
But he got choice.
He has got a choice. He could have just waited, but
But he was right. I Are you get out now?
We're gonna have to go on the path, Maisie Mill. We're gonna have to. I don't like going on the path, but there are times when you need to. Nah.
Daddy.
What? No, what are you doing that for? You can't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, there's so many silly people this morning on a Monday morning.
I can't hold on to
You
it.
don't need to hold on, we're not going that fast.
Speed camera. Where are you waiting from?
I'll see you later to the speed camera. Go catch them, yay!